Today I'm going to be talking about colours and how to select them. I know a lot of people do have a bit of difficulty with this, so I'm going to give you some hints and tips of how to choose them. So one of the easiest ways to gather colour scheme inspiration is to look around your home, look at wallpaper that you love, fabrics that you love. It could even be something like this water bottle. So we have the greens in there, we have the mustard, we have light pink. You could use that as inspiration, or you could head across to Pinterest and type in colour schemes, and then you'll find all of these amazing colour schemes which you can take inspiration from, and then head across to your yarn stash and pick your selected shades. Another way I like to do colour selection is with yarn pegs. Now these are all the Paintbox Simply DK, and I just really like having these on hand because they have all of the names of the colours on them, and I just take them out, I place them next to each other, I see what they look like. One of my favourite colour combinations is something like this. I just think it looks super beautiful together. In fact, I have recently done a project like this with similar colours, and it's just a really easy way to have it in front of you. I also like to take pictures of them to see what they look like on camera as well. Sometimes that can help. But colour pegs are definitely a winner in my eyes. Okay, so once you've got used to looking on Pinterest for ideas, using items around your house to gather colour inspiration, and then using yarn pegs, you can go that one step further if you want to. I actually have a colour wheel. I have had this for so long. You can pick them up relatively cheaply, and this is just so easy. So the way that this works is the centre actually spins around like this, depending on what colour. So if, for example, your colour is within this section, you can see that either side it's showing you which colours go really well with them. Then if you want a contrasting colour, you can go directly opposite here, and then you can have what's called a triad of colours as well, which is basically a triangle. We have this, this and this. So we've got the different shades within each section, and it just gives you a better idea of what colours go really well and not so well together. So the last tip I want to give to you is to always choose a neutral shade in your project. So that could be a white, a grey, a cream, a brown, a black, maybe even a nude colour. But I find that having that neutral colour within your project really anchors down the other colours. So for example, with this, you can see that my neutral shade is the white, and I've used it throughout the blanket to actually break up those other colours as well, and I think it just really makes those colours pop. Really hope that you found these tips helpful. Thank you so much, and I shall see you soon. Bye!